In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up A4 and letter variants of the same deck in PowerPoint. If you often share slides across regions, you'll know that A4 and letter are similar but not identical. A4 is the international standard, while letter is common in the United States and Canada. Setting up both versions from one source deck keeps your design consistent and saves time. First, design one master deck. Pick either A4 or letter as your main size and build your slides there. This becomes your source of truth for layout, spacing, and styles. Choose the size that matches where you'll present or print most often. Designing once avoids rebuilding every slide twice and makes later updates much simpler. As you design, use safe margins. Keep all important content about 1 to 1.5 centimeters from the edges. This buffer prevents text or logos from feeling cramped and protects them from printer crop and export inconsistencies. You can add guides to your slides to visualize that margin, then snap titles, charts, and images inside that safe area. It's a small habit that pays off when you convert between sizes. When your master deck looks good, duplicate the file to create the alternate size. Save the copy with a clear name so you don't overwrite the original. Keeping two files, one for A4 and one for letter, lets you update content in one, then mirror those changes to the other without confusion. Now change the slide size in the copy. Go to the Design tab, choose Slide Size, then Custom Slide Size. Select A4 or letter as needed, confirm the orientation, and click Ensure Fit. Ensure Fit scales content to reduce cropping, giving you a cleaner starting point. Avoid Maximize here. It can push elements off the page and create more cleanup work. Finally, check and adjust. After resizing, some elements may shift slightly because A4 and letter have different aspect ratios. Scan your title areas, footers, logos, and chart labels. Nudge elements back into your safe margins, realign with guides, and regroup anything that came apart. For images, use picture cropping instead of stretching to keep proportions accurate. Verify that tables and charts still fit neatly and that text doesn't wrap awkwardly. A quick slideshow preview helps catch overflows or misalignments you might miss in edit mode. That's it. With one well-built master, safe margins, a clean duplicate, a careful size change, and a quick polish, you'll have polished A4 and letter variants ready for any audience.